3 main reasons, why do women close their eyes during intercourse? Number 1, enjoying intimacy. During intercourse, when a man romances with a woman, hugs her and kisses her, and puts his penis in her vagina, and put it inside and takes out again and again, it gives the woman a lot of pleasure. And the woman's vagina become uncontrollable, and the woman gets a lot of relief. Due to which the woman closes her eyes, and makes delightful sounds. Number 2, feeling tiredness in the body. During intimacy, woman's body gets tired, due to more excitement and heat. The woman also gets tired when she discharges, her body starts to feel weak, because of which pain starts in her back, and her feet. When the woman starts having this pain, they closes their eyes, and controls her emotions. Number 3, a woman's discharge. During intercourse, when a man inserts his penis into the woman's vagina, and makes light strokes, the woman also responds fully to him, and gets pleasure and comfort from intimacy. When the woman is taking pleasure from the man, she closes her eyes, and discharges, which clearly means that the woman is satisfied with the man during intercourse. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.